IFS Cloud Manufacturing. Online Training. Introduction to IFS Cloud Manufacturing, Overview and Benefits. Introduction to IFS Cloud Manufacturing. IFS Cloud Manufacturing is a comprehensive, cloud-based solution designed to meet the needs of manufacturing companies in various industries. It integrates core manufacturing processes with enterprise resource planning, ERP, asset management, and supply chain management, all within a single platform. IFS Cloud Manufacturing provides a flexible and scalable solution, enabling manufacturers to optimize their operations, enhance productivity, and drive innovation. Overview. IFS Cloud Manufacturing offers a wide range of functionalities to support the entire manufacturing life cycle, from planning and scheduling to production and quality management. Key features include production planning and scheduling, advanced tools for demand forecasting, material requirements planning, MRP, and capacity planning, real-time scheduling and resource allocation to ensure efficient production processes, shop floor control, real-time visibility into production processes with tools for tracking work orders, managing resources, and monitoring performance. Integration with Internet of Things, IoT, devices and sensors to gather data and optimize production. Quality management. Comprehensive quality control measures integrated into every stage of the manufacturing process. Tools for managing inspections, non-conformances, and corrective actions to ensure product quality. Supply chain management. End-to-end visibility and control over the supply chain, from procurement to delivery. Supplier collaboration and inventory management tools to ensure timely availability of materials. Asset management. Tools for managing and maintaining manufacturing equipment and facilities. Predictive maintenance features to minimize downtime and extend the life of assets. Benefits. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. Streamlined processes and real-time data enable manufacturers to optimize production, reduce waste, and increase output. Scalability and flexibility. The cloud-based nature of IFS Cloud Manufacturing allows for easy scaling of operations as business needs grow or change. Improved decision-making. Real-time analytics and reporting tools provide actionable insights, helping manufacturers make informed decisions and respond quickly to market changes. Reduced costs. By optimizing resource usage, minimizing downtime, and improving supply chain efficiency, IFS Cloud Manufacturing helps reduce operational costs. Compliance and quality assurance. Integrated quality management and compliance tools ensure that products meet industry standards and regulations, reducing the risk of costly recalls or penalties. Key features of IFS Cloud Manufacturing for modern enterprises. IFS Cloud Manufacturing offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to modern enterprises, helping them streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making capabilities. Key features include integrated manufacturing operations, advanced planning and scheduling, APS real-time visibility into production schedules, resource allocation, and capacity planning to optimize manufacturing processes. Shop floor control, detailed monitoring and control of shop floor activities, including work order management, labor tracking, and equipment utilization. Supply chain management. Demand forecasting and planning. Accurate demand planning through integrated analytics and historical data, enabling efficient inventory management. Supplier collaboration. Real-time communication and collaboration with suppliers to ensure timely procurement of materials and components. Quality management. Quality control and assurance. Comprehensive quality management tools to monitor and maintain product standards, including inspections, audits, and non-conformance management. Traceability. End-to-end traceability of materials and products throughout the supply chain, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. Asset and maintenance management. Predictive maintenance. Utilize IoT and machine learning to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance, reducing downtime and extending asset life. Asset performance management. Real-time monitoring and analytics to optimize asset performance and reduce operational costs. Advanced analytics and reporting. Business intelligence, by integrated by tools provide real-time insights into production, financials, and operations, aiding in data-driven decision-making. KPIs and dashboards. Customizable dashboards and KPIs for monitoring key performance indicators across various manufacturing processes. Sustainability and compliance. Environmental impact management. Tools to monitor and reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing activities, including energy consumption and waste management. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards, including safety, environmental, and labor laws. Global and multi-site operations. Multi-site management. Support for global manufacturing operations with centralized control and local adaptability for multi-site production environments. Localization and language support. Localization features to accommodate different languages, currencies, and regulatory requirements across global operations. Product Life Cycle Management, PLM. Product Design and Engineering. Integrated PLM tools for managing product designs, revisions, and engineering changes throughout the product life cycle. Collaboration and innovation. Facilitate collaboration between teams, suppliers, and customers to drive innovation and bring new products to market faster. Optimizing production workflows with IFS Cloud Manufacturing. Optimizing production workflows with IFS Cloud Manufacturing involves leveraging the platform's comprehensive tools and features to enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and improve overall production performance. Here are some strategies and key functionalities within IFS Cloud Manufacturing that can be used to achieve optimization. 1. Advanced Planning and Scheduling, APS. APS capabilities. Utilize the APS module to optimize resource utilization, minimize downtime, and ensure that production schedules align with demand forecasts. This tool helps in planning complex manufacturing processes by considering constraints like machine capacity, labor availability, and material supply. Real-time adjustments. IFS Cloud allows real-time updates to production schedules based on changes in demand or supply chain disruptions, ensuring that the production process remains agile. 2. Integrated quality management. In-process quality checks. Implement quality checkpoints at various stages of production to catch defects early. This reduces rework and ensures that only quality products move through the workflow. Data-driven insights use the integrated quality management tools to analyze quality data, identify patterns, and take corrective actions to avoid recurring issues. 3. Lean manufacturing. Waste reduction. Apply lean principles within IFS Cloud to identify and eliminate waste in production processes. This could involve streamlining workflows, reducing excess inventory, or minimizing motion and transport within the plant. Continuous improvement. Use IFS Cloud's analytics tools to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and identify areas for continuous improvement in your production processes. 4. Automation and IoT integration. Smart factory capabilities integrate IoT devices with IFS Cloud to gain real-time insights into machine performance, energy consumption, and environmental conditions. This data can be used to automate adjustments in the production process, reducing downtime and optimizing energy use. Predictive maintenance. Leverage IoT data to predict when equipment will need maintenance, preventing unexpected breakdowns and reducing maintenance costs. 5. Supply chain collaboration. End-to-end visibility. Use IFS Cloud to gain visibility across the entire supply chain, from raw material suppliers to end product delivery. This visibility helps in optimizing inventory levels, reducing lead times, and improving overall production flow. Supplier integration. Enhance collaboration with suppliers by integrating their data into IFS Cloud. This ensures timely delivery of materials, reducing production delays and ensuring that workflows remain smooth. 6. Customizable workflows. Tailored production processes. IFS Cloud allows manufacturers to customize workflows to meet specific production requirements. This flexibility ensures that the production process is optimized for different products or production lines. Dynamic workflow management. Quickly adjust workflows in response to changes in product design, customer demand, or regulatory requirements, ensuring that production remains efficient and compliant. 7. Analytics and reporting. Data-driven decision-making. Utilize IFS Cloud's powerful analytics and reporting tools to gain insights into production performance. This data can be used to identify bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and make informed decisions to improve overall production efficiency. Integration capabilities in IFS Cloud manufacturing. IFS Cloud offers robust integration capabilities tailored to the needs of manufacturing businesses. Here are some key aspects. API-first architecture. IFS Cloud is designed with an API-first approach, enabling seamless integration with various third-party applications, tools, and systems. This architecture ensures that data can flow smoothly between IFS Cloud and other enterprise solutions like ERP, CRM, or SCM systems. IoT integration. IFS Cloud supports integration with IoT devices, which is crucial for modern manufacturing environments. This integration allows for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimization of manufacturing processes by collecting and analyzing data directly from machines and sensors on the shop floor. MES integration. Manufacturing execution systems, MES, are often used alongside IFS Cloud in manufacturing environments. IFS Cloud can integrate with MES to provide real-time insights into production processes, improving decision-making and operational efficiency. Supply chain integration. IFS Cloud supports integration with supply chain management systems, helping manufacturers to streamline procurement, inventory management, and logistics. This ensures that production schedules are aligned with supply chain activities, reducing delays and optimizing resource utilization. ERP integration. For manufacturers using multiple ERP systems, IFS Cloud provides integration capabilities to ensure consistent data flow across financials, HR, procurement, and other core business functions. PLM integration, Product Life Cycle Management, PLM, systems can be integrated with IFS Cloud to ensure that product design, development, and manufacturing processes are tightly connected. This integration facilitates better collaboration between engineering and manufacturing teams, ensuring that products are manufactured according to specifications. E-commerce and CRM integration. IFS Cloud can be integrated with e-commerce platforms and CRM systems, providing manufacturers with a unified view of customer orders, preferences, and interactions. This integration helps in improving customer satisfaction and streamlining order-to-cash processes. Data integration and analytics. IFS Cloud offers tools for integrating data from various sources, enabling manufacturers to perform advanced analytics and gain actionable insights. Integration with business intelligence by tools allows for comprehensive reporting and decision-making based on real-time data. Compliance and quality management integration. Integration with compliance and quality management systems ensures that manufacturing processes meet regulatory requirements and quality standards. IFS Cloud supports this by integrating with tools that monitor and document compliance-related activities. Cloud and on-premise hybrid integration. IFS Cloud can be integrated with both cloud-based and on-premise systems, providing flexibility for manufacturers with hybrid IT environments. This capability ensures that businesses can leverage existing investments while adopting cloud technologies at their own pace. Real-time data and analytics in IFS Cloud manufacturing. IFS Cloud offers robust real-time data and analytics capabilities tailored to the manufacturing sector. These features enable manufacturers to gain actionable insights, optimize operations, and enhance decision-making processes. Here's how IFS Cloud supports real-time data and analytics in manufacturing. 1. Real-time data collection. IoT integration. IFS Cloud seamlessly integrates with IoT devices and sensors on the shop floor, collecting real-time data from machines, production lines, and other manufacturing equipment. Automated data capture. Data is automatically captured from various sources, including machines, equipment, and ERP systems, ensuring that the information is up-to-date and accurate. 2. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics. Leveraging machine learning algorithms, IFS Cloud can predict equipment failures, optimize maintenance schedules, and reduce downtime. Prescriptive analytics. Beyond predicting outcomes, IFS Cloud offers prescriptive insights, suggesting optimal actions to enhance production efficiency and reduce waste. 3. Real-time monitoring and dashboards. Customizable dashboards. Manufacturers can create dashboards that display key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time, such as production rates, machine efficiency, and quality metrics. Alerting and notifications. Real-time alerts and notifications can be set up for critical events, such as equipment malfunctions or deviations from production standards. 4. Operational efficiency. Real-time inventory management. IFS Cloud provides visibility into inventory levels and movements, enabling just-in-time (JIT) manufacturing and reducing inventory costs. Supply chain optimization. Real-time data from suppliers and logistics partners can be analyzed to optimize supply chain operations, ensuring timely delivery of materials and components. 5. Quality control. Real-time quality monitoring. Quality metrics are continuously monitored, allowing manufacturers to detect defects early in the production process and take corrective actions immediately. Compliance and traceability. IFS Cloud ensures that all production processes adhere to industry regulations, with real-time traceability of materials and components used. 6. Integration with enterprise systems. ERP integration. IFS Cloud's real-time analytics are deeply integrated with the ERP system, providing a unified view of production, finance, and supply chain data. Third-party integration. The platform supports integration with third-party systems, enabling data exchange and real-time analytics across the entire manufacturing ecosystem. 7. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-native architecture. As a cloud-based solution, IFS Cloud scales easily with growing manufacturing needs, ensuring that real-time data and analytics capabilities can expand as required. Custom analytics models. Manufacturers can create custom analytics models tailored to specific operational needs, leveraging the flexibility of IFS Cloud's analytics tools. Enhancing supply chain management with IFS Cloud manufacturing. Enhancing supply chain management (SCM) with IFS Cloud manufacturing involves leveraging the integrated capabilities of IFS Cloud to optimize and streamline supply chain processes within a manufacturing environment. Here's how IFS Cloud can be utilized to enhance SCM. 1. Real-time data and analytics. Visibility. IFS Cloud provides real-time visibility across the entire supply chain, from raw materials to finished goods. This allows manufacturers to monitor inventory levels, track shipments, and respond quickly to changes in demand or supply disruptions. Analytics. Advanced analytics tools help in forecasting demand, optimizing inventory levels, and identifying potential bottlenecks in the supply chain. 2. Integrated supply chain planning. Demand planning. IFS Cloud supports integrated demand planning that aligns production schedules with actual customer demand, reducing overproduction and minimizing waste. Supply planning. The system enables effective supply planning by coordinating procurement, production, and distribution activities to ensure that materials are available when needed without holding excess inventory. 3. Supplier collaboration and management. Supplier portal. IFS Cloud includes a supplier portal that enhances collaboration by allowing suppliers to update order statuses, track shipments, and manage invoices. Supplier performance management. The platform also helps in evaluating supplier performance based on criteria such as on-time delivery, quality, and cost, enabling manufacturers to build stronger relationships with reliable suppliers. 4. Inventory optimization. Automated replenishment. IFS Cloud supports automated inventory replenishment based on predefined rules and real-time inventory levels, ensuring that stock is available when needed without overstocking. Warehouse management. The platform includes robust warehouse management capabilities that optimize space utilization, reduce picking times, and ensure accurate order fulfillment. 5. Production scheduling and execution. Advanced scheduling. IFS Cloud's advanced scheduling tools allow manufacturers to create optimized production schedules that take into account resource availability, machine capacity, and order deadlines. Shop floor control. Real-time shop floor control helps in monitoring production progress, identifying delays, and making adjustments to keep production on track. 6. Logistics and distribution. Transportation management. IFS Cloud includes transportation management capabilities that optimize route planning, reduce transportation costs, and ensure timely delivery of products. Order management. The system supports end-to-end order management, from order entry to delivery, ensuring that customer orders are fulfilled accurately and on time. 7. Sustainability and compliance. Sustainable sourcing. IFS Cloud helps in implementing sustainable sourcing practices by providing visibility into the environmental and social impact of the supply chain. Regulatory compliance. The platform ensures compliance with industry regulations by managing and tracking the necessary documentation and certifications for products and suppliers. Cost management and budgeting in IFS Cloud manufacturing. Cost management and budgeting in IFS Cloud manufacturing are critical components for ensuring that manufacturing operations remain financially viable and efficient. Here's an overview of how IFS Cloud handles these aspects. 1. Cost management in IFS Cloud manufacturing. IFS Cloud provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing and analyzing costs throughout the manufacturing process. This includes cost tracking. IFS Cloud allows for detailed tracking of costs at various levels, including raw materials, labor, overhead, and production processes. It supports multiple costing methods like standard costing, actual costing, and FIFO/LIFO. Cost analysis. The platform offers advanced analytics and reporting tools to help manufacturers understand cost drivers, compare actual costs against budgets, and identify areas for cost optimization. Cost allocation. IFS Cloud enables precise allocation of costs to specific products, departments, or cost centers, allowing for more accurate financial reporting and analysis. Variance analysis. IFS Cloud supports variance analysis, enabling manufacturers to compare planned versus actual costs and investigate deviations. This is crucial for maintaining cost control and improving forecasting accuracy. 2. Budgeting in IFS Cloud manufacturing. Budgeting within IFS Cloud manufacturing is tightly integrated with cost management and provides features to help manufacturers plan and control their financial resources effectively. Budget creation. IFS Cloud allows manufacturers to create detailed budgets at various levels, such as department, project, or product level. Budgets can be based on historical data, forecasts, or a combination of both. Budget monitoring. The platform offers real-time monitoring of budget performance, allowing users to track spending against budgeted amounts and make adjustments as needed. Alerts and notifications can be set up to warn when spending approaches or exceeds budgeted levels. Scenario planning. IFS Cloud supports scenario planning, enabling manufacturers to model different financial outcomes based on varying assumptions. This helps in making informed decisions about resource allocation and financial planning. Integration with financials. The budgeting module is integrated with IFS Cloud's financial management system, ensuring that budget data is consistently reflected in financial reports and statements. 3. Reporting and forecasting. Financial reporting. IFS Cloud includes robust reporting tools that provide detailed insights into costs, budgets, and financial performance. Reports can be customized and scheduled for regular delivery to key stakeholders. Forecasting. The system also supports advanced forecasting capabilities, allowing manufacturers to project future costs and revenues based on current and historical data. This helps in maintaining financial health and preparing for future challenges. 4. Compliance and control. Compliance management. IFS Cloud ensures that all cost management and budgeting activities comply with industry standards and regulations. This is critical for manufacturers operating in highly regulated industries. Audit trails. The platform maintains detailed audit trails for all financial transactions, including budget adjustments and cost allocations, ensuring transparency and accountability. 5. Collaboration and workflow. Collaboration tools. IFS Cloud facilitates collaboration between different departments involved in budgeting and cost management, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned on financial goals. Scaling operations with IFS Cloud manufacturing. Scaling operations with IFS Cloud manufacturing involves leveraging the platform's robust capabilities to support the growth and efficiency of manufacturing processes. Here are key strategies and features to consider. 1. Flexible deployment and scalability. Cloud-native architecture. IFS Cloud offers a cloud-native platform that can scale horizontally and vertically. This allows manufacturing operations to easily expand across multiple sites, geographies, or product lines without significant infrastructure changes. Modular design. The modular approach of IFS Cloud enables you to add or modify functionalities as your manufacturing operations grow. This includes integrating new manufacturing plants, adding production lines, or incorporating advanced technologies like IoT and AI. 2. Real-time data and analytics. Operational intelligence. IFS Cloud provides real-time visibility into production metrics, enabling you to monitor and optimize operations as they scale. This includes tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, identifying bottlenecks, and ensuring consistent product quality. Predictive analytics. Use predictive analytics to forecast demand, plan capacity, and optimize inventory levels. This helps in maintaining operational efficiency as production scales up. 3. Advanced Planning and Scheduling, APS. Dynamic scheduling. IFS Cloud's APS capabilities allow for dynamic scheduling, which can automatically adjust production schedules based on real-time data, ensuring optimal resource utilization even as operations scale. Capacity planning. With advanced capacity planning tools, you can forecast future production needs and adjust your operations accordingly, ensuring that scaling does not lead to over or underutilization of resources. 4. Integrated supply chain management. End-to-end visibility. IFS Cloud integrates supply chain management with manufacturing, providing visibility from procurement to delivery. This integration supports scaling by ensuring that supply chain operations can keep pace with increased production demands. Supplier collaboration. Improve collaboration with suppliers through IFS Cloud's integrated portals, which facilitate better communication, order management, and inventory planning as operations grow. 5. Quality management and compliance. Automated quality checks. IFS Cloud automates quality control processes, ensuring that as production volumes increase, product quality remains consistent. Automated compliance tracking also helps in maintaining adherence to industry standards and regulations. Scalable quality assurance. The platform's scalable quality assurance processes help in maintaining product consistency across multiple production sites or lines, crucial for large-scale operations. 6. Manufacturing Execution System (MES). Real-time production control. IFS Cloud's MES functionality provides real-time control over production processes, enabling efficient management of complex manufacturing operations. This is vital for scaling operations while maintaining productivity and quality. Integration with IoT. IFS Cloud integrates with IoT devices to monitor equipment performance, predict maintenance needs, and reduce downtime as operations scale. 7. Workforce management. Skill management and training. As operations scale, IFS Cloud helps manage workforce skills and training programs, ensuring that your staff can efficiently handle increased production demands. Why choose ProExcellency for IFS Cloud Manufacturing Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for IFS Cloud Manufacturing Online Training offers several advantages that cater to both professionals and organizations looking to enhance their skills in this domain. 1. Expert-led training. ProExcellency offers training sessions led by industry experts with extensive experience in IFS Cloud manufacturing. These trainers provide deep insights into the platform's features, functionalities, and best practices. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential aspects of IFS Cloud manufacturing, including implementation, configuration, and daily operational use. The curriculum is designed to ensure participants gain a thorough understanding of the platform. 3. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency provides flexible learning schedules, allowing participants to choose timings that suit their professional commitments. This flexibility is ideal for working professionals looking to upgrade their skills without disrupting their work. 4. Hands-on experience. The training includes practical sessions and real-world scenarios, enabling participants to apply their knowledge in simulated environments. This hands-on approach helps in better understanding and retention of concepts. 5. Certification and career growth. Completing the training with ProExcellency equips participants with a certification that is recognized in the industry, potentially leading to better career opportunities and growth in the field of IFS Cloud manufacturing. 6. Continuous support and resources. ProExcellency offers post-training support, providing access to resources, forums, and expert advice to help participants continue their learning journey even after the course is completed. 7. Cost-effective training solutions. The training programs are competitively priced, offering value for money. ProExcellency often provides various discounts and flexible payment options, making the training accessible to a broader audience. 8. Reputation and trust. ProExcellency has a strong reputation in the field of professional training, with positive reviews and testimonials from past participants who have successfully applied their training in real-world scenarios. Thank you.